that cinnamon smells really good.
So by all accounts, you don't need much of this cinnamon challenge.
No,
After
so why are you filling a giant heap tablespoon?
It's a regular one. I just feel this is one of the things I have to do. After watching so many hilarious videos on YouTube. I did it.
You did it. You kicked its butt.
Maybe I didn't have enough.